Arrive in style with this 1970 Pontiac Firebird. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: M24 manual wide ratio, front fender air extractors, dual exhaust, disc brakes, TA floor mats, electric clock, tachometer, and Ram Air 3WS 400CI/345 horsepower engine. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.